Hi, I'm Samuel,
Hi, I'm Nathan.
and we'd like to talk to you about our project Infer. So, Infer, as the name suggests, trains your inference skills. It listens to a movie alongside you, and after pivotal points in the movie, it'll prompt the user with inference questions about the current content. This might be like, who's the main character? Or, why do they feel a certain way? So our inspiration for this project comes from my family friend, Ellie. She has autism, and she participates in this thing called inference training, but she's often pretty bored by it, as she's a teenager and it's meant for children. But she enjoys watching movies, so we thought, why not combine the two?
So, how does it work? Well, it uses a speech-to-text algorithm, which over small time intervals will transcribe what is being said in the movie. And afterwards, it will use a very advanced machine learning model to classify which scene the user is watching, and then retrieve the script and pass it to a large language model, which then uses the script that was passed through to generate inference questions for the user to answer.
More on the machine learning model, we adapted it from researchers at the University of Edinburgh. They called it a topic-aware model, where it searched for turning points, or what dictates the plot of a movie. We've adapted it to search for any significant scenes in a movie and output it, and from that, we can ask user questions.
So, what did we use to build this app? Well, we used a variety of technologies. We used Python, React Native, Anvil, and Firebase. Python was for the backend, the machine learning algorithms. React Native for the front end, the actual mobile app itself. Anvil we used for the deployment of the backend, and Firebase we used to assist with transferring the data over from the Python to the React Native. So, time for the demo. So when you first run the program, you get greeted with this homepage where you can see all the popular movies in here, and then you can search for a movie that you want. So for our example, let's do Kung Fu Panda, just the original one, and then we'll press it, and then let's infer.
And then you will fulfill your destiny and take over the restaurant.
And then now we can see that after a little while, the app has detected when it should display the questions. So let's try answering some of the questions right now. So what is happening in this scene? Po is getting ready to take over the restaurant from his dad, and it's correct. So how does Po feel? Right now he feels a bit surprised. Correct. And then they keep watching the movie and answering the questions until the whole movie's over. There are around 75 million people who suffer from autism, and we believe that this app can benefit all of them. Right now, we're currently working to finalize our app as well as ultimately publish it to the App Store. Thank you for listening.